Reading JSON from a file. A simple-looking, easy statement is throwing some errors in my face. I have a JSON file called strings.json like this. I want to read the JSON file, just that for now. I have these statements which I found out, but it's not working. The error displayed on the console was this. If I use JSON.load instead of JSON.loads, I get this error.
The JSON.load method, without sinload, can read a file directly. You were using the JSON.loads method, which is used for string arguments only. The error you get with JSON.loads is a totally different problem. In that case, there is some invalid JSON content in that file. For that, I would recommend running the file through a JSON validator. There are also solutions for fixing JSON, like for example, how do I automatically fix an invalid JSON string?
Here is a copy of code which works fine for me. With the data, you may want to wrap your JSON.load line with a try-catch, because invalid JSON will cause a stack trace error message.
The problem is using the with statement. The file is going to be implicitly closed already. There's no need to call JSON_data.close again.
In Python 3, we can use the below method. Read from a file and convert to JSON. The with statement automatically closes the opened file descriptor. String to JSON.
What is